In 2026, diversifying income streams has become essential for achieving financial stability. Relying on a single source of income can leave individuals vulnerable to economic shifts and unexpected expenses. By exploring multiple avenues for earning, people can build resilience and create opportunities for growth. Today, we'll highlight 7 proven methods that have helped many enhance their financial well-being, ranging from dividend stocks and real estate investment trusts to digital products and cryptocurrency staking. These strategies offer a balanced approach to generating income and securing your financial future. Dividend stocks have become a dependable way to generate passive income for investors. Companies such as ExxonMobil stand out by offering appealing dividend yields, currently around 3.31%, and maintaining a consistent record of dividend growth for over 4 decades. This stability and commitment to rewarding shareholders make dividend stocks a popular choice for those looking to enhance their financial security. By investing in established firms with strong track records, individuals can benefit from regular income and long-term wealth accumulation. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, provide a way for investors to benefit from real estate income without the need to purchase or manage physical properties. By investing in REITs, individuals can access regular dividend payments, which are often backed by a diverse portfolio of commercial properties. Realty income is a prime example, known for its unwavering commitment to monthly dividends and a track record of increasing payouts annually since 1994. This approach offers both convenience and reliability, making REITs a popular choice for those seeking passive income in the real estate sector. Digital products have become a favored source of passive income due to their impressive profit margins and worldwide accessibility. By creating ebooks, templates, or online courses, individuals can reach a global audience without the need for physical inventory or shipping logistics. These products can be sold repeatedly, allowing creators to generate income long after the initial effort. The scalability and low overhead make digital products an attractive option for those seeking financial growth through passive means. Affiliate marketing offers a practical way for individuals to generate income by recommending products or services to others. By earning commissions on successful referrals, this approach can be both flexible and rewarding. The integration of AI tools has transformed the landscape, making it easier to automate marketing campaigns and reach larger audiences efficiently. As a result, affiliate marketing has become increasingly accessible and scalable, allowing more people to participate and benefit from this income stream. High-yield savings accounts, or HYSAs, have become a popular choice for earning passive income in 2026. These accounts offer competitive interest rates while maintaining a risk-free environment, making them ideal for safeguarding emergency funds or growing savings. With Federal Reserve policies stabilizing, HYSAs provide reliable returns without the volatility associated with other investment options. Their simplicity and accessibility make them an attractive option for individuals seeking financial stability. By leveraging HYSAs, savers can benefit from steady growth with minimal effort or risk. Print-on-demand merchandise offers a unique opportunity for individuals to sell custom products without the need to manage inventory. By utilizing e-commerce platforms, creators can design and market items such as apparel, mugs, or accessories, which are produced only when an order is placed. This approach minimizes financial risk and upfront costs, making it accessible to a wide range of entrepreneurs. As online shopping continues to grow, print-on-demand services have become an increasingly popular and effective income stream. Cryptocurrency staking has emerged as a popular method for generating passive income in the digital economy. By participating in staking, individuals can earn yield on their crypto holdings, essentially receiving rewards for helping to secure blockchain networks. As adoption of cryptocurrencies continues to expand, more people are exploring staking as a viable income stream. This approach allows investors to benefit from the growth of decentralized finance while maintaining control over their assets. In summary, These 7 income streams have proven to be effective ways for individuals to strengthen their financial stability in 2026. From dividend stocks and REITs to digital products and cryptocurrency staking, each option offers unique benefits and caters to different risk profiles and interests. By exploring these avenues, you can find strategies that align with your personal financial goals and lifestyle. Diversifying your income sources remains a key approach to building long-term wealth and resilience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.